guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about the Power Corporation of Canada, ticker POW on the TSX. What it is a financial management company, and it's been gaining popularity lately. You may have heard of it because of its investments in Wealthsimple and Lion Electric. If we look here, we'll see that the dividend yield is very generous, 4.51%, and it's ever increasing. And, you know, this is not one of these companies where it's stuck there and that's all they do. They don't really raise it. No, this is a growing company. It will grow over time. If you hold it, you're going to be pretty happy with it. We'll get back into the dividend growth in a little bit. I just want to look at the share price over the last 6-month period here on the screen. You'll see it's at the $30 range, and now we're closer to 40. And this is what happens when you really hit home runs with their investments. Their venture capitalist investments in A, Wealthsimple, and B, Lion Electric, have netted them so much money. It's really inspired people to invest in them with confidence because they showed you what they can do with their funds. They've made an absolute killing, and they've invested wisely. We're going to take a quick look at their organizational chart, guys. Don't get too bogged down with this type of thing, but here we go. So Power Corp has Power Financial and their alternative assets division. Okay, that alternative assets division has Sagard Holdings and the Power Sustainable. Now, Power Sustainable is what it sounds like. They're investing in renewable energy, which is awesome. Yet again, it's on trend. I like companies who are on trend for this reason. And also, you'll see here China AMC. This China AMC is fantastic because they're doing asset management overseas in China, and that is significant because China may very well one day become the world's largest economy, so you want investments over there. It's going to pay dividends in the long run. And under the Sagard Holdings, this is where the Wealthsimple investment is that everyone's excited about. Now, under Power Financial, they have a bunch of life insurance companies and wealth management companies. They have Great-West Lifeco, which pays a great dividend on its own, which you can buy on the open market. IGM, same thing, a little bit less popular, and one in Europe. This is the European market. I don't know too much about this one, so I won't discuss it very much. But under these main companies, there's little umbrella companies, and you know, we're not going to get into all this because this is the thing with Power Financial. They have their hands in so many pots, it's ridiculous. They're kind of like Brookfield Asset Management in that way. There's just spin-offs and subsidiaries, and there's just so much to go over. On Power Corporation's investor relation website, we can take a look at how they've done versus the TSX as an index. And you can see over the 1 year, they're killing it with 11%. And even over the 30-year period, they're beating it for 2.8%. So, I mean, it's not a huge beat, but it is a beat, and it's hard to beat an index, okay? So that is a positive sign. And what I want to talk about is the growth in their dividends. So if you see here, over the last 10 years, they've had a 54% growth in dividends per share. And that is the value to me because I'm a dividend growth investor, and you know, in the next 10 years I want to see it grow and grow and grow so it can replace my income so I don't have to work. Okay, so if we take a look here, in Q1 2011 they were paying $1.16 per share, but in Q1 2021 they're paying $1.79 per share. So this is humongous. This is crushed inflation. So if you were surviving off of dividends from this one company, just from Power Corp, you would have beaten inflation and you would have increased your income every year and felt happy about it. So if you had invested $100 in March of 1991, in 30 years, it would be $2,272 today in March 2021. So that's pretty huge, guys. But you'll notice of this big, huge gain, $1,500 of it was just the dividends being reinvested. Okay, so that's the power of the dividend snowball getting higher, getting higher, getting higher. I just wanted to bring this company to people's attention who have maybe never heard of it, who have maybe never looked into the financial services on the Canadian side of things. Just so you know, guys, there's more to the life insurance sector beyond Manulife. This is a really cool company. It's on trend, and I think it has a bright future. It's got its hand in many pockets. I really like it. I have, I think, a $2,000 around there investment in it. Not huge, but I like where they're going, and I like it as a hold for the future. Let me know if you're holding POW or if you don't like it even, but you have to tell me why if you don't like it. Anyways, subscribe, give me a like if you found this video interesting, guys, and I hope to continue to bring you really cool companies for the next video. All right.